Okay, for those of you who have Honda Elements, you may have heard the ticking noise when you get up in higher mileage. Well, everybody thinks it's a timing chain or a tensioner or something like that, and it quite possibly could be. But what I've discovered is the oil pump and the balance shafts in the bottom of the motor, which this is the oil pump off of the engine, are replaced in my Honda Element with 200,000 on it. What we've got here is, as I rock the oil pump back and forth, is that noise that we all hear, especially in the higher mileage stuff. So I'm not saying it couldn't be the tensioners, quite possibly could be, but what I found is the balance shafts underneath the motor, as you see them going around, as they wear, they put a load inside this balance shaft area with the oil pump on the front, and they make that dreaded noise. So there you go, for what it's worth.